Hello and welcome. I'm Pam Holland of Mindful Decluttering and Organizing. And in this recording, we'll be exploring the energy of clutter. What, you say? How can clutter have energy? Stick with me and you'll learn how it all works. Reflect on this question. Does your clutter weigh you down and hold you back? I believe that it does, whether you're conscious of it or not. It's often after the clutter is gone that folks can really feel this. But throughout this course, you will become more attuned to the impact that clutter and disorganization has on your day-to-day lived experience. The basic premise is simple. As clutter accumulates, energy stagnates. As energy stagnates, more clutter accumulates. This is why you may feel overwhelmed when you consider tackling a room or a space in your home or office that hasn't been touched for a period of time. The good news about the energy of clutter is that when you do address a corner, a stack, or a room, and begin to assess and deal with whatever's there, you may feel that a weight has been lifted from your shoulders. What is happening is that you're actually freeing up energy that has been stagnant. This energy can then be used for anything in your life that you wish to create. This could be to explore a new relationship, to launch a new passion or career, or really anything else that you desire. Our Energetic Effects of Clutter PDF resource graphically illustrates the cycle that we're talking about here. The Energetic Effects of Clutter worksheet, which accompanies the PDF resource, is a tool for you to become more aware of how clutter affects the energy in your life. The Personal Clutter Profile is designed to help you become more aware of the areas in your life that are working and those that deserve your attention. This profile can be used again and again to assist you as you create the life and home of your dreams. It's a living document that will change and grow with you. I hope you're excited. So now for your home play, these action steps will help you to fast track your decluttering progress. So be sure to take advantage of them. The first is the Energetic Effects of Clutter PDF printable that I mentioned earlier on. Review this and then complete the Energetic Effects of Clutter worksheet. Then complete or review your personal clutter profile. That's it for today, but stay tuned for more information